Hello everyone. The bear market has come to an end, marking the beginning of a bullish trend. Now is the best time to accumulate crypto assets for potential profits. Do not miss your chance. Luckily, our team has discovered a unique arbitrage opportunity with a potential rate of return between 8% to 15%, giving you a chance to maximize your budget. This strategy has been thoroughly tested by our team and many top traders. Let me detail how to use this strategy using Binance and BYTMAKE exchange for demonstration. Today, we will be working with Etherium, but you can use any other coins such as Solana, XRP, matic, and many others. Follow the steps below. Go to the Binance exchange and click on the Markets tab. Find the Ethereum coin and click the Trade button. Consider an example with an amount of $1,000. Purchase Ethereum for 1,000 USDT. Go to the Spot Wallet section on Binance and select Ethereum. Select Withdraw and specify the withdrawal amount and the blockchain network. Now, navigate to the BYTMAKE exchange. If you do not have an account, sign up. Find the ETH/USDT pair and make sure the price of ETH is higher than on Binance. Go to the homepage, go to the wallet section, find your ETH coin, select deposit, and enter the amount to send. The system will generate a deposit address, copy it, and return to Binance. Now, paste the address, confirm that it is correct, enter the amount and confirmation codes, then send the funds. Return to BYTMAKE, go to the Assets section and check your balance. In the Trading section, select Swap, enter your coin to be exchanged in the upper field and USDT in the lower field. Click the Submit Swap button and make sure that a message about a successful swap then appears. Go back to the Wallet tab and make sure that you now have USDT on your balance. This is your profit. Now click on Withdraw and withdraw it back to Binance. Remember that your profit depends on the size of your capital. Always keep an eye on the price difference and profit will be assured. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel.